Friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to drape a saree to Varamahalaxmi goddess. You can arrange the height as per your requirement and the available things with you. Here I have used one box covered with a cloth. On top of it I have used two books, and one box on top of that I have used this choki. On top of that I am using two kalashams. One just to increase the heights I have used two kalasham here. In this kalasham I have filled it with rice, and on top kalasham is for filling a water or a rice as per your tradition. And I used this stick for I tied this stick to the upper kalasham with a rope. So let us see how to arrange a saree, to make a saree. I have taken the saree. See here, this is a full length saree. I have folded it in this way. A complete saree, I have folded it into a half. A complete saree is folded in this way. This end we have to leave around 1 meter of the saree, and from that point, after 1 meter, you start putting a nail gauge to the saree. Friends, I have left this much cloth here, and from this point I have started folding the saree this way. The way to fold the saree is, it's very simple. I'll just show you how to do that. I just did this way. Take the saree and just fold in this way, and then clip the whole frills. Then again take the saree and fold it in this way and clip it from both the ends. And this is how you have to do for maximum saree. This is how you have to fold it, and put the clips in between. I have clipped it at 3 places. This is how we have to fold it, and rest of the saree I have left it for pallu part. Okay, pallu. So just I have folded the saree from pallu side in this way. I have taken a small frills, clip the saree. Like this way, how to prepare the pallu frills and clip it in between. First clip here, second clip here, third, fourth, like this. Now we are ready with the saree. Let's see how to drape the saree to goddess now. Now I'm showing you how to make a blouse for Devi. So take 2 pieces of paper and keep it in this way, and start folding the blouse piece. Start rolling. Start rolling the blouse piece in this way. and tuck it with the pins. Put a pins at the two edges of paper, and this part there is no paper. At the ends we have paper added. So I have added the pins at two places, one at the start of the paper and end of the paper. How to put this? This part has to come upside, and this should come at the downside. Take this way and fix it this way. We have to put a knot here. Take a thread. You have to tie it very tightly so that it will be fixed correctly. After done with adding a knot here, now let's remove the pin which is added at the down part. Keep this aside for some time. Let it be here. Take the pallu this way. I have removed the pin from here and I have taken the pallu from back side to front this way and taken a back pallu front side. Let's tie one daram here. One second. This is the final weave of goddess Lakshmi. Friends, I forgot to turn on the video while fixing the hastas and padas, and this is very simple. Let me show you how I have fixed them. Just need to put the leg inside the other one end of the saree. Just fix the leg here, and one end of the saree you have to take like this. This is how you have to take, and the other end has to run on top of it. Just take it from downside of the leg. This is up. It has to go run down from the leg and fix here at the other end, so that frills should come this way. Okay, this is how you have to fix the pada. Same trick applies here, and same at the other end of the frills. What I did, I have inserted the leg of the devi and taken the one end of the saree. This is how, and the other end has to come on top of the first one, and that has to run through and clip it here, pin it here, and other pin has to be kept here. Fix in this way so that they will be secured correctly. This is how you have to fix padas. And for hastas, I have taken one stick here, this stick, for giving a support to hastas, that has to go from middle part. And I have fixed the devi face and put some of the ornaments which are available with me. This is how the final look is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please share, subscribe and hit a like button. Thank you.